Our today's topic is find the distance between 2 points on a line. You can find the distance d between 2 points x1 y1 and x2 y2 that lie on a straight line using the formula. This d is equals to x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square and whole square root. This is the formula for the distance between 2 points. Here is the graphical representation. For example, we have the first point, that is x1 and y1, their coordinates, and also we have the other point that has the coordinate x2 and y2, right? We have to find the distance between these 2 points. So first of all, we use the formula, this one, d is equals to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square and square root. Here is the example which describes this formula clearly. Find the distance between these pairs of points. 2, 3 is your starting point, 5, 7 is your ending point. This can be expressed in the graph like that, right? After that, here you can see that x1 and y1 is basically 2 and 3, x2 and y2 is basically 5 and 7. It means that x1 is 2, y1 is 3, x2 is 5 and y2 is 7. Okay, now we just put the values into the distance formula. It will becomes d is equals to 5 minus 2 square, that is x2 minus x1. So 5 minus 2 square plus 7 minus 3, y2 minus y1 square and square root. So when we subtract these two terms, its answer will be 3 square. When we subtract these two terms, its answer will be 4 square. So 3 square is 9 plus 4 square is 16. So your answer will be square root of 25. And what is square root of 25? That is simple 5. It means that the distance between the point 2, 3 and point 5, 7 is basically 5. Understand or not?
Yes.
Also, we have the part B. You can see that 4a and minus 3a 2a. So here x1 y1 is equals to 4a and x2 y2 is equals to minus 3a 2a. This is the starting point and this is the ending point. In this case, x1 is 4a, y1 is a, x2 is minus 3a, y2 is 2a. Again we use the formula, that is distance formula, x2 minus x1. So minus 3a minus 4a square plus 2a minus a square. So here you can see that minus 3a minus 4a, that will becomes minus 7a square plus a square. So minus can becomes positive because of this square, right? So we just take the square of 7, it will becomes 49. A square is as it is plus a square. So its answer will be 50 a square square root. Now we without calculator we can solve the square root of 50 by taking the by just using the factoring method, right? So its answer will be 5 square root 2 a. This is your distance between these 2 points. Can I solve this simplified method, or you can also solve this?
Yes.
I have this is the simplified answer. Do you understand how it is simplified?
Yes.
Okay. So next one is the part C, that is 2 square root of 2 minus 5 square root of 2 and 4 square root of 2 square root of 2. You can see that x1 y1 is 2 square root of 2 minus 5 square root of 2, x2 y2 is 4 square root of 2, 2 square root of square root of 2. So here you can see that x1 is 2 square root of 2, y1 is minus 5 square root of 2, x2 is 4 square root of 2 and y2 is square root of 2, right? So here you have the all points. We can use the distance formula, that is x2 4 square root of 2 minus x1, that is 2 square root of 2, right? Again, y2, that is simple square root of 2 minus y1, that is minus 5 square root of 2. So it will becomes minus times minus 5 square root of 2 whole square, and the square root is as it is. Okay. After that, 4 square root of 2 minus 2 square root of 2, it will becomes 2 times square root of 2 whole square plus 2 square root of 2 plus 5 square root of 2. So this is basically 1 square root of 2, and this will becomes 5 square root of 2. When we add these two numbers, your answer will be 6 square root of 2, right? And the whole square is as it is. After that, when the square is open, the square will be of this 2 as well as this square root. So it will becomes 4 multiplied by 2, that is 8. And also square will be of 6 as well as square will be of square root of 2. So it will becomes 36 multiplied by 2. So it will become 72. So 72 plus 8 will becomes 80. So square root of 80 is your answer. When we simplify it by without using calculator, your distance has the value, that is 4 square root of 5. Do you have any problem?
No.
Okay, good. This is your solved example 10. Now we have the next exercise, exercise 4. Find the distance between these points, leaving your answer in third form where appropriate. Now you have to do three questions from this exercise. This question number D, question number F, and question number H, right? Do these questions quickly, then we will start the next topic.
Okay.